Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make Google Forms. If you need to create a form for a survey, quiz, or event, in this guide, I'll show you how you can make a Google Forms from scratch, simple and step by step. So first, you can just open your browser and go to this page, docs.google.com/forms. And make sure you're signed in into your Google account. And in here, you can just tap on this blank form options to start a new form. You can also choose a template if you want a head start. I'm going to just click on this blank form. And now you can just add the form title and descriptions. You can type a title for your forms and add descriptions to explain what it's about. For example, in here, I'm going to serve a customer satisfaction form, let's say. And you can also add a little descriptions in here. And you can just click on the question field to type your first questions. And you can choose from different types of multiple choice, short answer, paragraph, checkboxes, drop down, or any type of questions that you want. And if you want to add more questions here, you can just click on the plus icon on the right to add more questions to your form. You can also duplicate or delete questions if needed. If you want to duplicate, just tap on this button. If you want to delete, click on this trash icon. And you can also use the pen palette icon at the top to change your form's color or font style. So make it match your theme or brand. Yes, you can also change the text style and add header if you have any header from your brand, say. And here you can click on this eye icon to preview your form. And then you can here just publish the form first. Click on publish, and here choose anyone with the link. Click on publish again, and now you can just click on this copy responders link and share it to the responders. You can also make question required here so that the responder need or have to fill in this answer before they can submit. And that's how you can make a Google form easily. Hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what type of form you are building. Bye!